Hi, in this video we are going to see how to construct perpendicular bisector, angle bisector, perpendicular line from the point on the line, from the point above the line, and construct triangle and construction of square and 90 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, 30 degree. Okay, we will go one by one. Now we are going to see perpendicular bisector. Okay, when perpendicular bisector in this line AB, you are going to do perpendicular bisector. You have to take more than half. This is almost half, approximately more than half. Any point, any distance you can take it out, but it should be more than half. And draw the arc above the line, draw the arc below the line. Then don't disturb the canvas. Keep here. Cut it. Cut it. Now, here 2 points you have to note it down. The arc should be little lengthy. Okay. Then only it will cut, it will intersect in both cases. Now just connect two line, it is a perpendicular bisector. For example, I will prove you here now. What is this length? AB is around 8.2. You see exactly at 4.1 midpoint. Exactly at 4.1 the line it cut. And we have to say it is a perpendicular also. Perpendicular also it is proven. You see it is 90 degree. Okay. So this line is proven perpendicular bisector. Here, suppose if you take less, means you cannot cut. That is the reason we are doing always above the off mark. Okay, now second is angle bisector. In angle bisector, just take any one, there is no half or quarter, anything, no issues. Just to take one thing, you cut it. You cut it. Don't change the length of the campus. Just cut it. The same, without disturbance, cut here also. Now over. Then you can change, but afterwards keep it as it is. Okay. Don't change now. When you are doing here, don't change now. Hope you got it. Then connect this point to this point. You see angle bisector. Here you have to take care, have very good campus, so that when you have decided the distance, it will not change. So certain campuses are loose, it will change. So take care. Keep very grip campus. Now, if you want to confirm whether you did it rightly, you just see here. The first line is 60 degree. Thus, the bisector line is 30 degree. Okay, this is another proof you have done it rightly. Okay, now going to do construction of triangle. Okay, AB is 6 centimeter. BAC is 60 degree. AB is 6 centimeter. Take it out. Just. They are telling use with the campus only, not the ruler. Okay. So AB is 6. Okay. Next, BAC. BAC means the middle one. The middle one is the angle, 60 degree. Okay, take it out. BAC 60 degree, right? Just to draw one line. BAC 60 degree. Third is AC 5 centimeter. AC 5 centimeter, take it out. This is A. Always keep this one here, this one here. AC 5 centimeter. This from A only, C is there. So 5 centimeter. This, then connect it. You have constructed one triangle with the help of compass. Okay, now again another one. AB is 6 centimeter. AB is 6 centimeter. BAC is 60 degree. BAC, this is A, is 60 degree. BC is 7 centimeter. BC is 7 centimeter. So you have to take 7 centimeter from here. Okay. So it is not cutting, so you little lengthen this one. From this point to this point. This is AB is 6 centimeter. BAC is 60 degree. And BC is 7 centimeter. Here AB is 6 centimeter, BAC is 60 degree, and AC is 5 centimeter. Okay, now another one type also we will see it. Construct triangle. AB is 6. AB is 6, BC is 7, BC is 7. Make big arc, then only it will cut. BC is 7, then AC is 5. This you mark it B, AC is 5. This point to this point you connected. AB is 6, BC is 7, AC is 5. It is a simple way. I hope you got it. This is little tricky. Construct a perpendicular line from the point. Okay, from the point. This is from the point A. Okay, on the line. This point is on the line. How to do it? The simple way. Very simple only. Just take any distance, lengthy or not lengthy, no issues. Any distance you take it out. Okay, I take out. The same without adjustment. Here also do the same. Then Then what you have to do, now this is, consider this a point P and Q. This is the midpoint. Okay, now take the distance like you do perpendicular bisector. Just to take half of the distance more. Okay, enough. Then just as perpendicular bisector, you take half, you made two arc without adjusting the campus, and from this arc half of the distance you take the campus. Here you do the same way. Here you do the intersecting point, you connect it. This is a perpendicular bisector. It will pass through the point. If it is passes through the point, you did the right thing. Now construct a perpendicular line from the point above the line. This is the, from this point you have to construct a perpendicular line to this line. So what to do? Just to take it out. Okay, this point, this point. Okay, now consider again the same cases. Take more than half of the distance, construct a perpendicular. I hope you got it. This is, we have constructed a perpendicular line from the point above the line. Now construction of square, very interesting. Okay, construction of square, let me imagine it is 5 centimeter. Okay, okay, this is a constructing square for 5 centimeter. Okay, this is a B. Now from this point you have to construct, all the squares are 90 degree. From this point you have to construct one perpendicular line, like what you did. Construct a perpendicular line on the point, perpendicular line from the point on the line. Okay, now take it out. When you do two arc, don't change the campus length, campus difference, but afterwards you can change, but that time also you, till the two arc completion, don't change it out. Okay, I didn't change. Now from B you construct C. Okay, now from B you construct a perpendicular line. Square one property is 90 degree, that you fulfilled, but at the same time square is all are equal distance 5 centimeter, that we have to see it. Okay, this is 5 centimeter only. The same here also do 5 centimeter. Here also do 5 centimeter. Okay, from this again construct one line. That's all. This is C, this is D. Sorry, I should draw by the scale. Okay. Now if you see it, AB5, BC5, CD5 and AD5, this is 90 degree, this should be 90 degree, this should be 90 degree, this should be 90 degree. So we have constructed one square. Okay, now construction of 90 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 30 degree, we will see. Construction of 90 degree is, already we have seen it, this is a line, just one point from this 90 degree means take the, with the campus put to work, then with the same here one cut, here one cut. So this is 90 degree. Okay. Construction of 45 degree, just we have done in the paper. Now I am doing just manually. Construction of 45 degree, just cut with the campus. Then from here you cut. This is 45 degree, right? This is a like angle bisector. Now 60 degree is equilateral triangle. So take any one 5 centimeter something. AB is 5 centimeter, just to take out. Then from B 5 centimeter take out. From A 5 centimeter you take out. This will be. So if you take, because all are 5 centimeter, so it is an equilateral triangle. It is a 60 degree, right? Okay. Now, if they ask to draw 30 degree, from this use the angle bisector. Take this one, and from here take this one. So this is the 30 degree. So I hope you know how to construct the angle 90 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 30 degree. You can do further also 15 degree by finding the 30 degree. See you. Leave your comments leave your opinion in our comment box. See you there.